Well, here I am in the preparation area. Going to make me a salad to take over to the sheriff's office. You know, salad has its beginning as well. It goes back to the ancient Egyptians, and they introduced it to the Romans. The Romans would put vegetables on top of the lettuce and season the vegetables with brine or salty oil and vinegar dressings. It was called herba salata, or salty herbs, with the word salata in Italian meaning salted, and sal, the S-A-L, meaning salt. The French call the salata salade, that salad with an E at the end of it. I hope I'm saying that right. In the 1300s, the salad turns up in the English language as the salad, S-A-L-L-E-T, or salad, S-A-L-A-D, as we know it today. So in front of me, I put the ingredients I'm going to put in my salad. That would be tomatillos. You, of course, got the romaine lettuce here. You can use any lettuce, spinach, or whatever you want. Shredded carrots, the beets, and the corn. So I'm going to put that all together and get over to the sheriff's office. I won't be putting the salty vinegar stuff like they did in the ancient days. I'll be putting good old ranch dressing on this puppy. And by the way, ranch dressing, great on fries, but that's not very healthy. But this is healthy. It's good for you. So I got to get going and get over to the sheriff's office, and I guess you have things to do as well. Maybe you can make one of those, making your own salad. But I look forward to seeing you, and thank you for dropping by today. And we'll get together next time on the Children's Corner.